thyssenkrupp Industrial Solutions is committed to delivering exceptional customer services over the entire plant life, on every side, at any time, 360 degrees. With our asset management, we offer you a holistic approach in order to reduce operating expenses and increase your profit by minimizing wastages and improving utilization. Our warehousing concepts ensure immediate availability of strategic stock. In addition, use our professional spare parts navigator and order spares online. At Industrial Solutions, perfect operational planning, close by service centers, and matching on-site services go hand in hand to maximize the availability of your plant. thyssenkrupp is your full-service partner. From consultancy and engineering to delivery and installation, we meet all your requirements in upgrading, refurbishing, and relocating plants. All this comprises comprehensive consultations and specially tailored trainings that will precisely match your individual needs. To upskill your staff to fit the employee's knowledge, so your plant can be operated continuously in an efficient way. Across all services, 360-degree support boosts the performance and competitiveness of your businesses. thyssenkrupp Industrial Solutions, your partner throughout the entire plant life.